Waini somni pani April sangi somni parukyan government middle school Ramthar veng te chuan bagless day ni masaber ni avai khatna tan kumin se sunakan mangdona waina hian musical instrument Khuang te guitar te kan zirdona nopang te po an phur to hle ani.
We are Government Ramthar Veng Middle School, and today is 22nd April 2026. Today we shall perform a bagless day activity. The name of our activity will be music and musical instrument. Come on, listen up. Tell me two musical instruments. The name of two musical instruments. Guitar. Drums. Excellent answer. Rokima. Guitar, drums, keyboard. Huh? Piano. Okay. There are two kinds of a guitar. One is electric and one is acoustic. The position of his finger is very, very important. He athai downstroke. Oh, thai sole he upstroke. Deni. Downstroke, upstroke. He upfire he poimo tani. Poimo lu tuk upfire in tiam lo chuanin per in tiam mai dawang. Oh. William will show a chord. That is D key. Very well. A key. Oh. Yes. Yeah, it's right. Yes. Here, everybody come on, sing. Yes, you got it right. Guns in gong. Look at my hair. Harta kahya. Harsana. Thank you. Yes. Yeah, very good. Keep her big hands. Louder. Come louder. Yeah, very good. One, two, three. Kansin kong ko harta kahya harsat na Come on, everybody.
Very good.
Do, re, la, sol.
One, two, three. Yellow pen. Two, three. Yellow pen. One, two, three. No. Tiêm tu. Tiền đâu tê u la ta nghe tiền đâu tê u la Two, three. Tê u